Hi Thea, hôm nay má đọc truyện Bird, Balloon and Bear cho Thea nghe nha. Câu chuyện này được viết và vẽ bởi Ilsona. Wow, so many red dogs. Bird, Balloon, Bear. It was Bird's first day in a new forest, and he was looking for a friend. It wasn't long before he spotted someone. Thea thấy con gì không? Con gấu á. But Bert was too shy to say hello. When he finally felt brave enough, it was too late. Bear already had a friend. Hi, said Bear. There was no reply, but Bear didn't seem to mind. The friends spent all their time together. They played, they danced, they watched the sunset. Bert wished he could play too. Then one day, the wind carried Bear's friend away. Up, up, up! Bert flew as fast as he could, but the wind blew the branches away, and guess what? Pop! Oh no! Hi, I'm Bear. Hi, I'm Bird. The friends played, they danced, and they watched the sunset together. It's a happy ending. Hey, it's the end here. A friendship story. Night night, Thea.